Around 50 kilometers north of Vizag, near the town of Thagarapuvalasa, bounded on the north by the ancient Gostani river, is a water body referred to as the Thagarapuvalasa Pond. During the cooler months, it is teeming with birds. The pond attracts exotic species of birds from across the country and from all over Asia and beyond. It is very popular with bird watchers. eBird is an online database of bird observations created by Cornell Lab of Ornithology, providing scientists, researchers and amateur naturalists with real-time data about bird distribution and abundance throughout the world. This water body is home to 107 species during the cooler months. Recently, passing by the area, one can see some earth-moving equipment building a sort of bund along the road adjoining this pond. As in most government projects, there is no board saying what is being done here. The grapevine says that there is some sort of beautification project coming up here. After all, we know that in the government's dictionary, beautification generally means destruction of all things natural. A mature administration would cordon off the area, keep the surroundings tidy and provide space for ornithologists and other visitors to study the migration of birds and visiting species in the area. But not our administrators. For them, this is just another pond. It will be a disaster to beautify this area. It is already beautiful. We request the administration to stop disturbing the area and to remove this bund. Remove all encroachments from the pond, cordon off the area as they have done in Bengaluru lakes and keep garbage from being disposed of here. This is a wonderful opportunity to let the bird population proliferate here. Please do not waste this opportunity. Let us hope good sense prevails.